Join me as we draw Pedro Pony dressed up as the brave hunter from Little Red Riding Hood. Are you ready to help him look like a storybook hero? Alright, let's go! Pedro loves playing pretend, and today he's playing a brave hunter from a fairy tale. Pedro chose a big, strong hat for his hunter costume. What kind of hat would you pick for your adventure outfit? Look, Pedro has opened its eyes. Hi there, Pedro. He likes to take in his surroundings. In Little Red Riding Hood, the hunter helps save the day. Pedro's all ready to help too. Do you think Pedro makes a brave hunter? Would you like to join him on an adventure? Hunters are usually very kind and brave, just like Pedro. He's even practicing a heroic pose to look extra brave. Pedro might keep a special whistle to call for help, just in case he meets the big bad wolf. If Pedro meet the big bad wolf, do you think he'd be calm and kind, or maybe a little bit serious? Cool! Our Pedro pony dressed as the hunter is looking amazing. Now it's time to color him in. Take out your markers or crayons and let's get coloring. Pedro's ready to help. Do you think Little Red Riding Hood would feel safe with him around? Do you think Pedro would give a big smile or a serious face as a hero? I think both would look great. Pedro loves stories with happy endings, especially fairy tales like this one. Do you like reading fairy tales? Which one is your favorite? Pedro loves them too. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. Pedro says he'd share his snack with Little Red Riding Hood if they met on their adventures. What do you think Pedro would carry to help Little Red Riding Hood? A map, a snack, or maybe a flashlight? Pedro loves woodland animals, so he's ready to help them too. Would you go exploring in the forest with Pedro? What would you look for together? Pedro's costume has strong boots. What color do you think they should be? Brown, black, or maybe green? His boots are perfect for walking through forests and making sure Little Red is safe. Awesome work, everyone! Our Pedro pony as the hunter looks brave and ready to go. Show our drawing. It is sure to bring a smile. You did an amazing job, and I'm so proud of you. Until next time, Pinky Artists.